a plastic surgeon with a primary cosmetic surgery practice, one of the most common questions that people ask me is about loose skin. So I have loose skin over my face, I have loose skin over my arms, or my tummy, my thighs, in all regions of the body. And what can be done to get rid of that loose skin? The first thing which we can do is take good care of our skin, use proper sun protection, and keep our weight in check. Have a nice exercise schedule. So all of this leads to a good skin tone and also slows down or prevents skin laxity. But there are few situations in which skin looseness is happening and that cannot be prevented. The first and the most common thing is increasing age. जैसे उम्र बढ़ते जाती है थोड़े चेंजेस तो आते ही दैट मे बी ओवर फेस स्किन जैसे wrinkles आ जाएंगे, sagging हो जाएगा फेस का, तो jawline becomes more loose, it is not that well defined, this part starts to sag, and you might notice drooping of skin in these areas also. At the same time, with aging, there are changes seen in the skin over your limbs, or the tummy, the back as well. Obviously, after weight loss, skin looseness दिखना चालू हो सकता है. That could be in the belly, that could be over the arms or the legs, in all areas of the body, thighs especially. Another common reason for a loose skin is post pregnancy. जब stomach जो थोड़ा expand हुआ रहता है, that comes back to its normal size. That does lead to some loose skin, some wrinkles, and also stretch marks over the belly. So all these issues are a very pressing concern for those who are affected by them. And yes, there are ways to treat those. There are a few treatments which I would like to talk about. So today we will be discussing a few common ways in which we can do skin tightening, which we are doing here at Chrysalis, and it is giving very good results to patients, and that's why they are very happy with them. So today we will be discussing the common techniques or the common treatments that we offer for skin tightening, which we are doing here at Chrysalis, and people are very happy with them, and they are getting very good results with the following treatments. The first one I would like to talk about is microneedling radiofrequency, or which you commonly know or more popularly know as Morpheus 8. So Morpheus 8 जो होता है, it is an OPD procedure. आपको आना है, ट्रीटमेंट करना है, एंड देन आपको घर जाना है. यू कैन स्टार्ट योर डेली रूटीन इमीडिएटली. यू कैन टेक पार्ट इन व्हाटएवर एक्टिविटीज यू वांट. Morpheus 8 ट्रीटमेंट जो होती है, इट इज़ मेनली डन फॉर योर फेस स्किन. It is for face rejuvenation, for tightening your face skin, for some looseness in this area, or if you want a slightly lifted effect when you have a very mild degree of skin looseness or sagging. Same thing आप apply कर सकते हो neck के लिए, and it can be taken down to any other part of your body. Chest या breast skin आपको tighten करनी है. Let's say arm skin थोड़ी सी loose है, you want some slight subtle tightness in that. A very common indication pregnancy के बाद जो tummy skin lose हो जाती है, plus उसमें stretch marks होते हैं. So stretch marks are very well treated with Morpheus 8. Also, you can take care of cellulite. This is a very unique and good indication of Morpheus treatment. Cellulite जिसके लिए ज़्यादा कोई treatments available है नहीं. Morpheus 8 in combination with bipolar radiofrequency cellulite में बहुत अच्छे results देता है. So Morpheus 8 is not a single treatment. अगर आप आज first session करते हो, next session is after 1.5 months, the next session is after 1.5 months. So you require 3 to 4 sessions depending upon how well you respond and how much skin looseness you have. There is no downtime after the treatment. आपको treatment करने के बाद कोई ज़्यादा restrictions नहीं होते. You can go and start your routine activities including working, driving, you can cook, you can work on a desktop. All routine activities are fine. Sun protection and some basic skin care, इतनी चीज़ें आपको यूज़ करनी होती है. Other than that, Morpheus does not interfere at all with any activities of delivery. This is as far as Morpheus is concerned. अगर skin looseness थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, like a moderate degree of skin looseness, then let's start with the face. Suppose यहाँ पे थोड़े under eyes के लिए पकड़ लीजिए, तो यहाँ पे थोड़े eye bags है, there's some hollowing over here, skin is slightly wrinkly. At the same time, this part is sagging slightly. These folds are becoming more prominent. यहाँ पे jowls दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So there's no defined jawline as such. थोड़ा सा looseness यहाँ पे है. Maybe there's some double chin over here. At the same time, neck skin has become loose. In such cases, Morpheus would give a good result. Yes, especially double chin में Morpheus gives really good results. But with a slightly moderate degree of skin looseness, we should consider bipolar radiofrequency. We know that as either Facetite or Acutite or Necktite. ये उसके जो treatments हैं उनके नाम हैं. Now this can be applied, as I said, इस area के लिए we can use Acutite. For the rest of the face, we can use Facetite. As far as the neck is concerned, Necktite. The rest of the body, for bigger body areas, we can use Bodytite. All these treatments are the same depending upon the size of the probes that we use as well as the energy that we give. अब ये जो treatments होते हैं, it is not a multi-stage treatment. Single session होता है and it is just done through one small puncture. एक छोटी सुई जो होती है उससे ही probe जाता है आपकी skin के नीचे and it does the tightening. It can be done under local anesthesia. If you're doing a small area, for example, अगर आप face का treatment कर रहे हो, तो अंडर लोकल एनेस्थीसिया से इतना पार्ट नम करके द ट्रीटमेंट कैन बी डन. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ मल्टीपल एरिया, सपोज आप चाहते हो आपका फेस नेक करना, एट द सेम टाइम यू वांट टू गेट द आर्म स्किन टाइटनड अप और यू वांट टू गेट द बेली स्किन टाइटनड अप, आपको सब अगर साथ में करना है तो वी कैन ऑल्सो कंसिडर डूइंग इट अंडर फुल एनेस्थीसिया और जनरल एनेस्थीसिया. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन वॉट एवर योर रिक्वायरमेंट इज एंड हाउ कंफर्टेबल यू आर, we can decide which anesthesia to use and how long do you need to stay in the hospital. If you're using full anesthesia, we like to keep in the hospital for a few hours post your procedure. So you can come in the morning, get it done, and by afternoon or evening, we can let you go home. इस ट्रीटमेंट के बाद थोड़ा डाउन टाइम होता है. There is some swelling in the area which you have treated. There is some redness in the area. But again, you do not need bed rest. आपको लेटना नहीं है, ज़्यादा आराम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You should be leading an active lifestyle. Get back to working, get back to driving, get back to doing a sedentary job. Definitely yes. आप जितना एक्टिव रहोगे उतना आपका रिकवरी फास्ट होता है. The swelling goes down in a few days and you get really good results with just a small puncture mark. There is no big cuts, there is no scar, and no one will get to know that you have had this treatment done. This is as far as the bipolar radiofrequency, यानी Acutite, Facetite, Necktite is concerned. The same modality, the same technique can also be used for vaginal rejuvenation or genital rejuvenation. So tightening of the vagina, dealing with stress, incontinence or leakage of urine when you're coughing or sneezing, accidental leakage of urine. Also for taking care of postmenopausal problems of the vagina. All these things also are treated very well with radiofrequency. The modality is the same, the probes are slightly different. In bipolar radiofrequency, when we are treating very large body areas, जैसे कि अगर हमें स्टमक ट्रीटमेंट देनी है, लोअर टमी ट्रीटमेंट देनी है जहाँ पे हैंगिंग स्किन थोड़ी सी है, बैक में जहाँ स्किन हैवी होती है, ब्रा रोल्स जहाँ पे विद एक्सरसाइज इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग अवे, especially if there's some extra fat which is not going away, we can use Bodytite. The probe is longer and slightly thicker and gives more energy. In Bodytite, we can combine it with liposuction, so थोड़ा extra fat liposuction निकाल सकते हैं and the skin can be tightened using Bodytite. Now the comparison between these various modalities, skin normally हमारी elastic होती है, so if you pinch the skin, it goes back. That is its property. With only liposuction, there is also some skin tightening, around 8% to 10% skin tightening देखने मिल जाती है आपको. If you're doing either a Facetite, a Necktite or a Bodytite procedure, you can expect up to 30% of skin tightening following the procedure. ये जो tightness आती है, that is because of formation of collagen. Skin के नीचे जो structure होता है, the building blocks of your soft tissue, उसे collagen कहते हैं. तो collagen formation is increased because of the radiofrequency heating. We heat up the skin and the internal tissues, जिससे collagen production बढ़ जाता है, जिससे skin tightening and tissue tightening चालू करती है. So results are seen immediately after the procedure, yes, but the new collagen formation and the skin tightening, the benefits, they continue for at least a year following your treatment. So yes, instant results दिखते हैं आपको, but the improvement is going to continue. It's not just you see it at that time and it's over, right? The last modality of treatment which we will be discussing is surgery. If you have achieved a massive weight loss in a very short amount of time, maybe 5 kgs, 10 kgs, 15, 20, whatever your target has been, आपने achieve कर दिया, you might have noticed there is some extra hanging skin maybe on your arms, in the belly, which is very thin and hanging. ये जो type की skin होती है, that is not very well treated with just non-surgical skin tightening. Skin has a capacity, कितना tight हो पाएगी वो. If you have a large amount of skin that needs to be removed, then surgery is a good option for you. Yes, surgery does come with a cut. The cut will leave scars, but the scars are placed in such a way that it is not visible on normal interactions. So when you're talking with someone casually, interacting with someone casually, they won't know that you had a skin tightening procedure done or a body shaping procedure done. So if you have a lot of loose skin, surgery definitely should be considered to give you that perfect result, a proper body contour and tight skin. Now, these treatments can be combined with each other also. It depends upon what every person's situation is. The treatments have to be tailor made according to the requirements of the person concerned. It is not a blanket treatment in which one treatment fits all. So, if you think you have loose skin, or if you wish to get more information about the various treatments that we offer as far as skin tightening, as in body shaping and body lifting is concerned, please feel free to contact us on the number given below or reach out to us on any of our social media platforms and we'll be happy to talk to you.